The INFJ personality type is marked by a rare combination of traits that often pull them in opposing directions. Known as advocates or counselors, INFJs are simultaneously idealistic and realistic, compassionate and reserved. This duality stems in part from their primary cognitive function, introverted intuition or NI, which allows them to perceive deep insights into people and situations. INFJs are often guided by their secondary function, extroverted feeling or FE, which fine-tunes their ability to connect and empathize with others emotionally. In essence, INFJs are pattern seekers and future gazers. They excel at understanding underlying meanings and future implications, often feeling a personal responsibility to transform their insights into concrete actions for collective well-being. Yet, their complexity can also lead to internal conflicts and misunderstandings in everyday interactions. The primary function of the INFJ introverted intuition, or NI, serves as their most potent interpretative tool, allowing them to grasp complex patterns and implications from seemingly disconnected facts. This function is supported by extroverted feeling, or FE, which drives their decisions towards maintaining harmony and understanding emotional dynamics within groups. Thirdly, their introverted thinking, or TI, provides a structure for their insights, helping them analyze information systematically. Lastly, their inferior function, extroverted sensing, or C, draws them occasionally to the outer world, urging them to engage with reality directly, though often this engagement can be a point of stress. Understanding these cognitive processes is vital to grasp the subtleties of the INFJ's decision-making and perception. The interplay between their dominant introverted intuition and their desire to achieve external harmony can create significant internal strife, but also powerful moments of personal and social transformation. INFJs are synonymous with emotional depth. They experience emotions vividly and possess an equally intense inner life, making them exceptionally empathetic. However, this profound emotional capacity can also lead to challenges. INFJs often absorb the emotions of others, finding themselves overwhelmed or burdened by emotional contagion. Their complex emotional landscape requires careful management. Mindfulness and reflective practices can be crucial in helping INFJs navigate their inner worlds without becoming lost in them. Addressing emotional depth is understanding a core aspect of INFJs, their inherent empathy and sensitivity towards others, which can serve as both a gift and a challenge. INFJs seek deep, authentic connections in their personal relationships. They are not content with superficial interactions and often feel a drive to understand and connect with the essential nature of their loved ones. This intense desire for genuine relationships can make INFJs highly selective about their friends and partners, sometimes leading to feelings of loneliness or isolation when ideal connections are hard to find. Their high standards for relationships can result in profound, lifelong connections that are based on mutual understanding and respect. However, this can also place them in a vulnerable position, as they may end up giving more than they receive, leading to emotional exhaustion. It is crucial for INFJs to learn to set boundaries to protect their emotional well-being. The vocational choices of INFJs align closely with their core values and need for purposeful, impactful work. They are often drawn to careers in counseling, psychology, education, and the arts, where they can utilize their intuitive understanding of human nature and their desire to make a positive difference in the world. Despite their potential for leadership and deep insight, INFJs often prefer supportive roles over positions of overt authority. Their sensitivity to office politics and their disdain for conflict can make typical corporate environments challenging. Nonetheless, when they find the right fit, INFJs can be profoundly influential, inspiring change and promoting a deeper understanding among their colleagues. The daily life of an INFJ is punctuated by challenges that stem from their sensitivity and complexity. They may struggle with decision-making, especially when their choices could impact others emotionally. Their need for solitude to recharge can be misunderstood as aloofness or indifference, Yet it is these same qualities that furnish INFJs with their unique strengths. Their intuition often leads them to innovative solutions to complex problems, and their empathy can bridge divides between people. Understanding and harnessing these strengths can help INFJs find balance and satisfaction in their day-to-day lives. INFJs are often caught in the crossfire between their lofty ideals and the practical demands of the real world. This tension can lead to significant stress and disillusionment when the world does not meet their high expectations, or when they feel unable to enact the change they envision. Navigating this duality requires INFJs to develop a pragmatic approach to their idealism. Setting small, achievable goals can help them feel progress without becoming overwhelmed by the enormity of the tasks they aspire to undertake. It is a delicate balance, but one that is essential for INFJs to master in order to maintain their mental health and continue their impactful work. Living as an INFJ is an intricate dance of depth, empathy, idealism, and practicality. Understanding the nuances of this personality type can significantly enhance an INFJ's ability to navigate their inner and outer worlds effectively. Moreover, for those who interact with INFJs, whether in personal, professional, or casual settings, this understanding can lead to more meaningful and supportive relationships. The journey of an INFJ is not without its challenges, but it is replete with opportunities for profound personal growth and the ability to make a significant impact on the world. By embracing their unique traits, INFJs can unlock the full potential of their rare and remarkable personality type.